So here we have another little mod for the Mazda NC, so the Mark III. So yeah, let's get it out of the packet. So that's one of the main bits. There's another part here. So you may have seen or heard that there can be some issues with the clutch pedal on the NC. Basically, people have had the it cracking. So I can't remember quite where the crack is, but it's within the support of the pedal. I believe it's like that, and the pedal's down here. And basically what they've done is a really nice piece, actually. It must all be laser cut out and then bent really nicely. Is a support kind of cage, a thing that goes over the top. So basically this is from Performance Delta in the UK. So they've made this and this other part that goes with it. And I'll show you how it fits later in the video. But basically this will go over and strengthen up the whole situation where the clutch pedal has this issue of cracking. I'm doing it because I haven't actually had the pedal crack, but I'm already at like I call it a stage 1 clutch, and I'm just about to go up to another stage. I'm going to be running a competition stage 2 clutch on mine, and obviously a lot of the time when you have a uprated clutch, one of the side effects of that is that you have a heavier brake clutch pedal, and obviously if it's heavier you're going to put more strain on it, and then it probably has more of a chance that it could fail. So this is the idea. So it's a really nice piece from Delta, Performance Delta, and yeah, I'll show you how we get the old the clutch out and the clutch pedal out, and how this fits on, and then how it gets attached. So this is the clutch pedal over this side. It's got 2 nuts holding it on to the bulkhead, one, another one on the other side. Then there's at least 1 bolt here. Doesn't look like, so it looks like 3 bolts. So you've got to undo those, get this assembly out, and then you can have a look to see how the strengthening structure fits onto it. So I've got both parts on. Looks a bit ungainly at the moment because I've just tried to clamp it up tight. So because this wanted to push up a little bit at the back of the bracket, so I'm just holding it down with a clamp. I had a bolt that went through on this one, so that's holding that in the right place. And then this one, I didn't actually have a bolt that fitted, so I've just used a mini clamp to hold it. So the next process is get this welded. So all the little holes that have been left, those are tack welding, or welding spots, spot welding. Put those in place. 3 in under there, and that would be all welded up. So I've welded the other side and it went well, so just welding in these holes to attach the bracket, used clamps to keep it up tight to the original metal. And just welding in there like that. I'm actually welding with stainless wire because I don't have any other, but it will be fine. And just going to keep spotting it as I go along, and we'll have a look at it when it's finished. So this is it all done. The Performance Delta parts went together really well, fitted really nicely. So thank you to them. Welded it all up my DIY welds, but they all look okay. Obviously your local welder should be able to just do this fairly easily. So I've done the main section, which comes down and supports the mounting here. I've then got the other section here, which is being welded on. Put a little weld on the side as well, just for security, and there's a little one on that side. I'll take obviously this bolt out. That's ready to bolt back in. 3 nuts onto there. Obviously it's just a reversal of taking it off, and that's all good. Sorted.